Hey friends, let me show you how I how I painted this unfinished wood circle that I had bought from Home Depot. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, any of the stores carry them. But all I did was I wanted a background for my scarecrow, so I painted it orange. Then using a long ruler, I drew some lines. Now I just want to go through with a little bit of black on the edge of my brush, and I want to blend that black in on each of these lines. I flip my brush so that I keep black to black, and it makes it look like these wood pieces are put together. Once I'm done with that, I let it dry. I've got a little bit of a lighter orange and white mixed together, and I'm really scrubbing it in the center of each of those faux boards. See how it's taking on a whole look of, looks like we just sat and nailed a bunch of boards together. You can do this with any different color. I use it a lot with a gray background for more country signs. And then I take a liner brush and I'm going to paint very lightly. You don't want any straight lines. Just some age cracked lines anywhere on the board. It doesn't matter where. This is really easy to do. And then pull some lines down in between what looks like the boards to separate them just a little bit more. Then once this is dry, you can put your template or whatever pattern you're using right over the top of it. It would also look good if you did some lettering, maybe a stencil right on top of it. Either way, it makes your project look really nice. And you don't have to mess with Mod Podge, decoupage paper. You just paint that faux finish right on it.